Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here again. And if this is your first time, a very warm welcome to you. Today we're going to talk about something simple, effective, and totally natural. How to rejuvenate the skin on your face and hands right at home. We're doing this without any harsh or harmful ingredients. Everything is natural and easy to find, and the results will speak for themselves. Let's get started with our key ingredient, a medium-sized potato. Go ahead and peel it. Now this might sound surprising, but potatoes are amazing for the skin. They help in whitening and smoothing the skin, while also fighting wrinkles. Yes, really! Potatoes contain compounds that boost collagen, which is essential for keeping your skin firm and youthful. Now, once it's peeled, and add just enough water to almost cover the potato. Don't overfill, just enough for blending. Then puree it into a smooth mixture. You want it to be lump-free. While you're working on that, if you haven't already, be sure to click the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. That way, you get to pick which beauty tips and DIYs you'd like to watch as soon as they go live. Now strain the potato puree using a fine sieve or a cheesecloth. This gives us two parts, the juice and the starchy pulp. The juice contains azelaic acid, a natural ingredient that lightens dark spots and brightens the skin. And yes, save the pulp! We'll be using it soon for a homemade facial scrub. Set the juice aside. We'll be adding it to our cream later. For now, let's prepare the cream base. You'll need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 200 milliliters of water. Mix them together until smooth. Cornstarch helps thicken the cream and has soothing properties for the skin. Wheat can even help reduce the appearance of wrinkles over time. Cook this on low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Be patient here. It only takes a few minutes. Once you get a creamy, pudding-like texture, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really means a lot. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and natural skincare ideas. When the mixture has cooled down, slowly start adding the potato juice, a little at a time. I added about 6 tablespoons total to get a rich, smooth consistency. Blend it well so the cream turns silky and even. Now let's bring in some extra glow. Add the juice of half a lemon. Lemon is packed with antioxidants and helps brighten your skin. Mix thoroughly so it blends in smoothly. Also, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I always enjoy hearing from you. Now it's time for nourishing oils. First, add about 12 to 14 drops of jojoba oil. It's lightweight and perfect for hydration. Next, 15 drops of rosehip oil, which is full of vitamins and helps even out the skin tone. Finally, 4 to 5 drops of orange essential oil. This gives the cream a refreshing feel and adds to its skin brightening power. Stir everything together really well. Your cream is ready. It's brightening, nourishing, and makes your skin look smooth and even. Pour it into a clean glass jar for storage. Before applying the cream, let's prep the skin by exfoliating gently. This helps the cream absorb better. Take 1 tablespoon of white rice and grind it into a powder. Rice has been used in Asian beauty routines for centuries for a reason. It works! Now grab that potato pulp we saved earlier and add it to the ground rice. To that, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, which works great as a natural exfoliant. It buffs away dead skin cells without being too harsh. Mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil to add moisture and balance the scrub. Apply this mixture gently to your face, neck, décolleté, or even your hands. Use light circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel fresh and renewed. Once you're done exfoliating, it's time to use the cream. Apply it in the evening before bed to clean skin. Massage gently until it's absorbed. And leave it on overnight. You'll notice a real difference after just a few applications. Your skin will look smoother, brighter, and more even-toned. Store the cream in the fridge. It will stay fresh for about 7 days. Use it regularly for best results. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And remember, even natural remedies can have side effects. So do a patch test, and always consult your doctor if you have any skin concerns. Thanks again for watching. Stay well, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.